Welcome to my channel, where we discuss everything and all things politics, economy, and development in Nigeria and around the world. The President General of Ohanaeze Ndigbo, Senator John Azuta-Mbata, has finally responded to Nyesom Wike, Ogbakor Ikwerre, and other Igbo deniers in River State, saying that he's not going to deny his Igbo identity. That is what we're going to talk about in this video. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime we have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. Now, the President General of Ohanaeze Ndigbo, Senator John Azuta-Mbata, who was elected the leader of the Apex Igbo Social Cultural Organization on January 10, 2025, amidst a lot of protests from some of his Ikwerre kinsmen, including the Minister of the Federal Capital Territory, Abuja, Nyesom Wike, and the Ogbakor Ikwerre, has finally responded to their criticism and their denial of being Igbo, insisting that he cannot deny his Igbo identity. Recall that Nyesom Wike, shortly after Senator Azuta-Mbata emerged, the President General of Ohanaeze Ndigbo, addressed the press, and that question, and if you listen to that question, how the question came about, you know that it was a question that Nyesom Wike wanted to address. They asked him, it was the AIT, one of the anchors in AIT, Aroleba, asked him and said, what have you to say about your kinsman emerging as a President General? And Nyesom Wike used that opportunity to say that he's not Igbo and all that. And they said that he is in line with what Ogbakor Ikwerre has said. Because before that interview, Ogbakor Ikwerre had issued a statement saying that they are not Igbo and that John Azuta-Mbata is just representing himself and that they have ostracized him and all kinds of things. And till that time, Senator Azuta-Mbata had kept quiet, and I was among those who felt that he ought to have spoken out, but I was later told that that was not his style, that he didn't have to respond to Nyesom Wike and Ogbakor Ikwerre. But an opportunity presented itself yesterday, and he had to address this matter squarely. Okay, and it was when the kinsman of the governor of River State, Nyesom Wike, paid him a courtesy visit in Port Harcourt to congratulate him on his new leadership position and to thank him for the massive support he had been given to Nyesom Wike before he became governor, and since he became governor, and when they attempted to impeach him, that he stood for Nyesom Wike like the rock of Gibatra to ensure that Nyesom Wike was not impeached and all that. So the kinsmen of Fubara were excited to be in his midst, to congratulate him. They used the opportunity to not only congratulating him, but also to remind him how they appreciate him for his support for Nyesom Wike, especially when there was an attempt to impeach Fubara. Now let us look at some of the things that was the context for this story. Now, as I said earlier on, the president of Ohanaeze Ndigbo, Senator Azuta-Mbata, was visited by the kinsmen of Governor Nyesom Wike, and it was in that meeting Simi Fubara reiterated his support for Simi Fubara, that he will continue to support him and accord him all his due respect as the duly elected governor of Rivers State. And the Opobo elders, the people that visited him were the Opobo elders for Simi Fubara. That's the name of this group, the Opobo elders for Simi Fubara. They paid him a courtesy visit in his office in Port Harcourt. And it now presented an opportunity for Azuta-Mbata to speak. And it was in the interaction with the Opobo leaders that he dismissed the criticism directed at him following his emergence as President General of Ohanaeze, referring to them as a cacophony of noises from those lacking understanding. Mbata, who reaffirmed his Igbo identity and the importance of unity among ethnic groups, said, and I quote, "I see my responsibility as building bridges. We must connect our people to a much larger platform for development. Some people say they are from Benin. Their ancestry is Benin. And I said, that's fine. Let's go there. We say that we have a relationship with Igbos. I'm not going to deny my Igbo identity. Anyhow, if you like, talk from now till tomorrow. I won't deny my ancestry." He said, if you like, talk from now till tomorrow. I won't deny my ancestry. We are related. Why are you shouting me down? I bet you these things will just naturally die down. I didn't answer anybody because I see my responsibility as building bridges. People will by and large understand what we are doing. We must operate at the highest stage of the Nigerian project. We have to be able to access the powers that be. We must enjoy support from another perspective. Politics is played in Abuja and not here. It is when they finish from Abuja that they come here. I won't say everything today. And they say a word is enough for the wise. End of quote. That was Senator John Azuta-Mbata responding to those who were critical of his emergence as President General of Ohanaeze Ndigbo, and also taking a shot at those who say that they are from Benin, that they originated from Benin, that they are not Igbos. It's fine and good. You are from Benin. I am Igbo. I can't deny my ancestry. Okay, but we can still talk about it if you like. But this is it. He said that he's unapologetically Igbo. It was similar to what Nyesom Wike said, that he has no apology to give to anybody, that he is not Igbo. Okay, now Azuta-Mbata has responded to him and others, including Ogbakor Ikwerre, that supposedly ostracized him, that they have removed all the titles he had in Ikwerre land. He's reminding them that he stood where he was standing the day he was made Ohanaeze president, that he is unapologetically Igbo and that he cannot deny his Igbo ancestry. Now, when he said, after saying all these things, which address a lot of fundamental issues, Nyesom Wike first said that he's from Benin extraction when he had an interview with Dele Momodu about a few years back. Okay, but he didn't repeat that again in recent interview he had in 2025 following Azuta-Mbata's emergence. He didn't talk about being from Benin again, but he only said that he was unapologetically an Ikwerre man that is not Igbo and that nothing will make him to be Igbo or to claim to be Igbo. Okay. Now, after Azuta-Mbata said all these things, it was in response to, but Azuta-Mbata said these things in response to the earlier statement by the elders of Opobo, that's the kinsmen of the governor, Simi Fubara, who came to pay him a courtesy visit and to congratulate him for being the leader of the Igbo nation right now. And that the Opobo elders, known as the Opobo elder statesmen for Fubara, they were led by Alabo Edwin Kukuye Brown. He congratulated the Ohanaeze Ndigbo president on his electoral victory and expressed gratitude for his unwavering support for Fubara before, during, and after the governor's election. Kukuye Brown said, I recall particularly that during the impeachment attempt, you stood by the governor like a shining star. You supported him. You did not shake, neither did you shy away. End of quote. So it was an expression of gratitude for Senator Azuta-Mbata for being a staunch supporter of Simi Fubara. That is why you can see how ridiculous it was that some group of people that parade themselves as Ohanaeze will go and issue a statement saying that Ohanaeze Ndigbo is not in support of Fubara, that they support Nyesom Wike's 27 lawmakers that defected from PDP to APC. That's how ridiculous and irresponsible they look to peddle that kind of rubbish when the actual fact remains that Ohanaeze, President General, is solidly with Simi Fubara, which is the right place to be in the rivers crisis. I don't know what you think about Senator John Azuta-Mbata asserting his Igbo identity and telling those who are Igbo deniers that they cannot make him to abandon his Igbo identity for anything. What is your position? What do you think about this? Let's hear from you at the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you will be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, God will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.